Meaning of Guinness.
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 Guinness. Guinness is a well-known brand of beer originating from Dublin, Ireland. The drink was first brewed by Arthur Guinness in 1759 and has since become one of the world's most popular beers, known for its dark color and distinctive flavor. In addition to its beer production, the Guinness brand has expanded into different areas such as merchandise and advertising. Today, Guinness is regarded as an iconic part of Irish culture and heritage, with its recognizable branding and products enjoyed by millions around the world.